So I get a lot of questions about what to do with the excess epoxy you may have after a project. Well, I have a solution for those of you who have that question. So here is a mold. It is a silicone mold of some Mickey Mouse ears. So what I do is I pour the excess in there and I let it dry and I pop it out, and voila, I have a trinket that my family could use in Disney World or in Disneyland or on a Disney cruise. We like going to Disney World when it's not too hot. We like going to Disneyland, and we love going on Disney cruises when we can. I bought this little mold off of Amazon. I'm gonna put a link in the description. So when they see us strolling around the park with our glow-in-the-dark Mickey Mouse ears, they're gonna be like, where'd you get those Mickey Mouse ears? And I'm gonna be like, can't get them in the store, but I know a website that you can go to and you can possibly purchase one. That's what I'm gonna do. Hopefully I'll pay for my Disney trip that way. I doubt it, but that's what you do when you have a lot of resin that's left over. Find creative ways to use it, and you can make some Mickey Mouse ears.